guys, welcome. So as you read by the title, I'm going to be doing a full face using my favorite products from 2019. Basically just my favorites, most used products of 2019 is what I'm going to call this video. So I went like this, like I had hair there. So the first thing I'm going to do, I already did my brows off camera. If you guys don't know by now, I always use my Anastasia dip brow. And I've actually been using, I guess I can mention this as one of the first products. This is the and don't mind my nail, this one just came off this morning. So, but this is the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. This is in the shade 2 Brownie Brows. It kind of just gives my brows like a natural finish, if you would call these natural. It just kind of makes your hairs that you do have kind of stand out, so it gives your eyebrows those natural hair-like strokes instead of just the harsh filling that dip brows usually give you. They just bring out the hairs that you have again, and it sets them pretty well. They tend to last all day. The next product that I'm actually going to be using to prime my eyelids is the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Sand. This one is also new. So I just recently purchased this, but I think it came out earlier this year. I know everyone's obsessed with it. I do have a full face using e.l.f. makeup. I will link it down below. And I'm also doing a giveaway on that video, so check that out. So this concealer is great for both the under eye area and also to prime your eyelids. It is thicker and a little goes a long way, which is why I like it to prime my eyelids. But I did want to give this concealer a shout out because it definitely meets the hype expectations. The one I do want to mention is the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills collaboration that they did this year. It is so pretty, and it doesn't look like I used a lot, which I haven't. I use just like this one, and the brown, but I don't use eyeshadow that much to begin with, so, but I did reach for this one the most. Definitely one of the best releases of 2019, so I will be doing one eye on camera, one eye off camera. I don't know what look I'm going for. I kind of want to do something different, but you know how that always works. I never do anything different. First, I'm going to go in with Ginger just a little bit as a transition shade. I almost forgot that this palette came out in 2019. I thought it came out a lot like in 2018 because Anastasia just has so many releases and it's kind of like too much sometimes. Like they didn't give, I know Carly Bible came out with a palette with them as well right after this palette with Jackie, and Norvina had her like 10 palettes that she released. No hate or anything, like I love Anastasia, they make the best palettes, but I just feel like let me do this while I talk, they kind of did too much, and I don't know if there's a reason for that this palette didn't get the recognition it deserved, because a lot more people should have been talking about it. So now that that's on, I'm gonna go in with, I'm actually gonna do, no, Pinker has some shimmer in it. I'm gonna do Big Wig on the outer portion of my eye, and we'll see how that works. I'm scared. Oh, that's so pigmented. I'm gonna put this all over my lid actually. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it like this. It's the purple Big Wig is so pigmented. I'd never used this shade. I love the palette, but this is a beautiful purple. I am obsessed with it. So I'm gonna go do this eye off camera, probably do my eyeliner, and then I'll talk about lashes. My eyeliner also has now changed. I've been using the NYX matte eyeliner forever, I think for like 3 years now, ever since they discontinued the NYC eyeliner, which I think was like 2016, so that's not new, but I do have some new favorite lashes that I want to talk about, so I will be right back. So I finished my eyeliner and this eye off camera. It looks super pretty, bold, but like not crazy. It's really nice. In regards to lashes, I'm gonna be using these. I have some off I mean, I have some that I used before already, so I won't be opening these, but this is the original package. They are new, part of the Ardell Mega Volume line. These are the 258s. Everyone knows that there are really good lashes online that are really affordable. I know a few, but sometimes it's just not convenient to just have the option to just order them online. Sometimes you do need an option at the actual drugstore where if you don't have a pair or you mess yours up, cut them too short, you can easily go back to the store and pick one up. So I've been trying to find some. So I did find these Ardell ones and I absolutely love them. I got mine at Sally Beauty, so those are the ones I'm going to be using today. The easiest way for me to actually apply them is when I coat it with glue. I use the Kiss Lash Adhesive Glue with aloe. And I'll kind of just put them to the side for about 10 minutes, do some other parts of my face, and then come back to them. Because I basically like my lashes to be pretty much dry. And that way when I apply them, they don't slip around everywhere and they just stick right on to where I lay it. So that's what I really like. So that's what I'm going to do. So they're to the side now. I'm going to move on to my face while those dry. So the first primer I actually am obsessed with that I picked up this year is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm sure you guys have seen every YouTuber, Instagrammer, whatever you want to call it, use this. That's the one I've been using every single day. So after I go in with that primer, one that I've been loving since I tried it in my full face using e.l.f. is the e.l.f. Putty Primer. This is just the regular one before the two new ones came out. I know they have like a matte one and a luminous one now, but this is just the regular one and I love it. I definitely feel like it's a dupe for the Tatcha Silk Canvas Putty Primer. But it definitely fills in the pores that I do have, and these two together are like magic, guys. So this year I started color correcting, and I used the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Peach Corrector. So it's been really, I feel like it makes my makeup look better just because I'm color correcting my dark areas, and that basically helps me not use that much concealer or foundation in these areas since I'm already covering my dark circles up. So I think it helps my makeup look less cakey since I am using less product in my under eye area and in my mustache area. And this isn't new, this has also been around since like 2015 or something, but it's new to my routine, color correcting. And LA Girl just, I tried this color corrector. There's like a million peach ones, but I used this one because I know LA Girl works so well. So I wanted to try something that I knew would work well. And I like the consistency of it. Let me also go dampen my beauty sponge because I need to. Let me put on my lashes. I think they're good now. So. Okay, so lashes are on and I'm going to put eyeliner on there, but just in a second after they dry down a little more on my eyes, and also put mascara because they're looking a little bit rusty. So, but anyways, back to the foundation I was talking about. So I'm going to use one of the ones I'm going to use is the Milk Makeup Flex Foundation Stick in Golden Nude. And then the other one I'm going to use is the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in Sand. So I'm going to mix these two together. So put a little bit of that. And since I am using my little paintbrush applicator, ooh, it's easy to mix these two since it's a stick foundation and then a liquid foundation. It's so easy to mix these two. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with two concealers. The first one is the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, and just a little, or just over that, just a little bit. So before my camera cut off, I was saying I'm going to use these two concealers here. Now this L'Oreal one's a little too light, so I'm going to use it in my inner corner, mostly over here, just to highlight. And this one will be like, this is like my right shade, so that's going all over the eye. So I'm just gonna, and both of these are very full coverage, so just use a little bit. So just let it dry for a little. I heard it's more full coverage if you let it dry down just a bit and then blend it out. So that's what I've been trying to do, but sometimes I forget and I just start blending. So we're gonna wait a little bit while I put all this stuff away. So another product that I've been loving this year is the Makeup Revolution Bacon Blot in the shade Banana. Now I use this as a setting powder. Basically what you do, it's compact, but what you can do is grab your damp beauty sponge and just rub on it like this, and you'll pick up a ton of product, and then that is basically how you bake. Okay, and then what I'm going to use to bronze is my Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer. Now this one is also new for me. I used it in my full face using Makeup Revolution and I really liked it. It is a little bit intense, so a little goes a long way. So start small, and if you feel like you need to, then you can add more, but it's very powerful. And then I don't know how new this is, but it's new to my collection. I literally just got it. Oh, goddamn. Got it. When did I get it? When did I go to Dallas? In November. So I got it in November, and it's this blush palette. I love this shape, Provocative. I love that one. It's like a peachy orange. So love that one. You see? Another hair. I'm gonna use a new highlighter. This is the Airspun Loose Face Highlighter. This is in like the pinker one. Oh, it's Snow Much Ice. That's the shade. So they have, I think, 3 of these, and I went to Walmart and got these, and these are new. So I'm gonna apply this. Where's my brush? Again, a little goes a long way, you see? Ooh. But I love loose highlighters. They look so much better, I feel like. And guys, I don't have any new lip products because I use the same one every time. If you guys can recommend me some new nude shades, that would be so appreciated. Okay, so I'm gonna get myself together and fix my nail, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I just finished getting ready. I just put my normal lipstick on. You guys focus on me? Okay. So these are just using some of my favorites from 2019. I absolutely love the look. But yeah, that's pretty much it. As usual, all the products will be listed down below in the description. And what else? I think that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will catch you guys next time.